Yokogawa is committed to addressing unique industry challenges. By combining advanced technology with unwavering reliability, we ensure a future of seamless and precise analytical measurements. Introducing the latest model in Yokogawa's TDLS series is the TDLS8200 extractive type. The TDLS8200 extractive unit enables high-speed measurement of gas concentrations such as O2, CO, CH4, NH3, and HCl in processes in an extractive configuration for diverse industries. Traditional analyzers are prone to sensor degradation and failure due to exposure to moisture and corrosive components, leading to increased complexity and maintenance costs. Yokogawa's TDLS series addresses challenges associated with traditional analytical technologies. The TDLS8200 is built using solid-state components with virtually no drift over the lifetime of the analyzer. Yokogawa TDLS technology utilizes infrared light to measure gas concentrations without direct contact with the process, protecting sensitive components and reducing maintenance costs. Its stable light source and no moving parts design eliminate routine calibration and minimize the need for consumables, ensuring long-term reliability and efficiency. Active temperature and pressure compensation are available within the TDLS platform, allowing for dynamic process conditions which don't impact measurement integrity. The TDLS8200 platform does not require stringent sample conditions, enabling the use of less complex sample handling system designs. This enables users to shift from cold and dry to less complex hot and wet sample handling system configurations with confidence when the extractive cell is heat traced and insulated. A standout feature of Yokogawa's design is a patented tube-in-shell Flowcell design. This innovation ensures even distribution of process gas to maximize heat transfer efficiency and maintain a uniform sample temperature. The TDLS8200 extractive type unit is available in flexible optical path length configurations to balance measurement accuracy against installation footprint requirements. Yokogawa's TDLS platform delivers precise measurements, simplifies system design, and reduces overall operating costs. Yokogawa contributing to a more sustainable future.